Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gordon Frayne, and today we're back with an updated price prediction video for Ethereum. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below, hit that subscribe button as well, and if you want to get notified about similar videos, not just about Ethereum, but about Bitcoin, crypto, and alpha in this entire space, make sure to smash that bell notification icon. And don't forget to grab your free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's going to be linked in the description below. It is my gift to you. Grab it while it's free, and let's get into the video. So, Ethereum currently sitting at a price of $2,796 here at the end of August 2024, has seen a nice little bit of a bounce over the past few days. If we look at the 7-day time frame, we've seen Ethereum go from about this 20, we even went as low as about 25.50 here within the past week, and going all the way up to this $2,800 level where we are sitting at today. However, if we zoom out and look at the performance of Ethereum on a longer time frame, we can see that the performance over the past year to year and a half has been a little bit underwhelming. Yes, we had this bit of a rally here over the course of the second half of 2023, but once we got up to this $4,000 level back in March, when we saw Bitcoin putting in new all-time highs prior to the halving, we saw Ethereum getting all the way up to $4,000. We have seen it retrace all the way back down to this $2,795 level where we are at today. Ethereum has also been significantly outperformed by Solana and even Bitcoin over the past 12 months. So, you know, a lot of people are kind of waiting for Ethereum to make this big move to the upside and anticipating that we are going to see hopefully an altcoin season driven by Ethereum making a big leg up. You can see we're sitting significantly lower than the 200-day moving average on the chart here on the daily chart. And Ethereum does have a good bit of work to do to get back up to this 200-day moving average and break beyond it. However, you did see when we moved above the 200-day moving average back in October of 2023, that did set the scene for Ethereum to make a very big move to the upside, doing so from October to March of this year. So again, if we can see Ethereum make that move to the upside over the next couple of months, break above that 200-day moving average and move beyond, that would signal a lot of speculation around altcoin season and making gains for Ethereum as a result. So, next thing to look at is the market cap dominance of Ethereum. And again, we're seeing a little bit of underwhelming performance here. We saw Ethereum get back up to, this is a weekly chart, so we're actually looking all the way back to 2021. And when Ethereum was getting its market peak back in 2021, during the course of that cycle, we saw it get all the way up to a 22.34% market dominance level. As you can see, as we moved through the course of 2022, this broke down significantly as we went through the bear market before bouncing back again and kind of consolidating in this range around the 20% level. But since the middle of 2023, we've seen Ethereum dominance continue to break down, and it has been on a downward trend since the middle of 2023. You can see we're currently sitting just above 15% at 15.12% for Ethereum market dominance versus the rest of the market. And again, part of the reason for this is because it has been outperformed by Bitcoin, Solana, BNB, and many other blue chip tokens in the crypto space over the past 12 to 18 months. So, when making our price predictions on this channel, you might be familiar that we often use market dominance as one of the variables in our price prediction equation. And when we were making our previous price prediction for Ethereum, we were saying that Ethereum could hold this level around the 20% dominance level. However, given the fact that we've seen it drop all the way down to 15%, that means that I'm revising the price prediction for Ethereum downwards ever so slightly, given the fact that Ethereum dominance is going to have a lot of work to do to get back up to this 20% level of market dominance and move beyond it. If I'm honest, I don't think we can see Ethereum getting back up to this 22.5% level that it got up to in terms of market dominance back during the 2021 cycle. I think we could get back up close to 20%, and that's what we're going to look at here in our revised price prediction. As always, we are going to give you a bear case, base case, and bull case scenario for our price prediction for Ethereum. As we mentioned, we are currently sitting at a 15% dominance level. In a bear case scenario, what we're saying is the total crypto market cap could reach a peak around $4 trillion if Ethereum can bounce back up and get an 18% dominance level. That would give us a 720 billion overall market cap for Ethereum, and dividing that by the amount of Ethereum tokens in circulation gives us a price target of $5,985, just under 6K, which is about a 2.1x from today's prices. Interestingly, Ethereum is meant to be deflationary at this point, but there does continue to be an increase in circulating supply. This has increased since we did our previous price prediction a few months ago, so the number of Ethereum tokens in circulation does appear to be continuing to grow. Whether that flips to be ultimately deflationary over the course of the next 12 months remains to be seen, but it does make it difficult to accurately estimate just exactly how many Ethereum tokens will be in circulation by the middle to end of 2025. So we've used today's current numbers, but this is a variable that's very hard to nail down precisely. Next up, we've got our base case scenario, and what we're saying is the total crypto market cap could peak around $6 trillion if Ethereum can get all the way up to a 19% dominance level, so increasing that dominance by a factor of about 4%. That would give us a 1.14 trillion overall market cap for Ethereum by the peak of the bull cycle. And once again, dividing that by the amount of Ethereum tokens in circulation gives us a price target of about $9,476 for Ethereum in a base case scenario, which is about a 3.4x from today's prices. Finally, moving on to our most bullish case scenario, what we're saying is the total crypto market cap could peak up around $8 trillion if Ethereum can get back up and reclaim that 20% market dominance level. That would give us a 1.56 trillion overall market cap for Ethereum. And again, dividing that by the amount of Ethereum tokens in circulation gives us a price target for Ethereum in a bull case scenario of just under 13K at $12,967 per Ethereum, which is about a 4.76x from today's prices. So that is our revised bear case, base case, and bull case target for Ethereum by the peak of the bull cycle. Yes, there are different variables that we have to plug into this equation, but we do have to make educated assumptions and educated guesses as to where we think the overall crypto market can get to, as well as what dominance level we think Ethereum can get back up to and reclaim. Obviously, we would love to see it break back out of this downwards trend in terms of dominance that it has been on since the middle of 2023. If it can get back up and reclaim that 18, 19, 20% market dominance level, then we could be seeing Ethereum prices in excess of $9, $10, $11,000 per token. Obviously, that remains to be seen. We'll be keeping an eye on all of this as we move through the next few months. The Ethereum ETF has also been another instrument that we've seen the introduction of in the past few weeks. Yes, we did also see a drop in the price of Bitcoin in the immediate aftermath of the Bitcoin ETF trading. We have seen a drop in Ethereum price over the past few weeks as well. However, that's also been driven in part by the unwind of the Japanese yen carry trade that we saw at the beginning of August. However, if we can see Ethereum begin to receive consistent inflows with the Ethereum ETFs from those new ETF issuers, that will also create a consistent supply of capital flowing into this asset and also help us possibly get back up to these 18, 19, 20% market dominance levels. So that is our revised price prediction for Ethereum. We'll probably do another one in a few months' time. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below. Let us know in the comments, are you bullish on Ethereum? Are you holding Ethereum as part of your portfolio? And where do you think the price of Ethereum is going by the peak of the bull cycle? Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button on your way out the door as well. Hit the subscribe button. And if you want to get notified about similar videos, make sure to smash the bell notification icon. And once again, don't forget to grab your free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's going to be linked in the description below. It is my gift to you. Grab it while it's free, and we'll catch you in the next one.